Back to Anderson County, where the trial is now underway for Amy Valardi. She is charged along with her husband Ross in a 2015 quadruple homicide.
Authorities say her mother Kathy Scott, Kathy's husband Michael Scott, Mike's mother Barbara Scott, and Kathy's mother Violet Taylor were killed. Our Caitlin Ashbaugh was in the courtroom today, and she joins us live now with more. Caitlin.
Sydney, Nigel, the court spent most of this afternoon combing through evidence, taking us all back to that day about 10 years ago through footage of the bloody scene, body camera footage and images, and the only recorded 911 call on record that was made by Amy Valardi herself. First, we're going to go to opening statements, though. Defense attorney Lori Murray argued the lack of a, quote, smoking gun, claiming that Valardi's arrest in 2023 was only pursued after a court TV show reached out to the Anderson County Sheriff's Office about the case. Furthermore, Murray argued that investigators took everything into consideration back in 2015, DNA tests, phone and property records, and left it at that. While prosecutor Joel Kozak argued money should not be overlooked as evidence in this case, claiming Vilardi and her husband Ross were behind on bills, but investigators would later find $60,000 in a safe belonging to Amy the day after her relatives were found dead.
That the defendant and her husband, Ross Vilardi, committed this crime together. Now, Amy Valardi is the only one on trial today, but in South Carolina, the hand of one is the hand of all. And the judge is going to instruct you on what that means at the end of this trial. But basically what it means is that when they acted together to commit this crime, you can hold both of them accountable.
I want you to believe that it's beyond a reasonable doubt that Amy Valardi killed those poor people. And there's just no evidence of that. And if there was, they would have been arrested like in 2015.
We heard a 20-minute conversation between Vilardi and an Anderson County operator, the only 911 call on record. Vilardi closing her eyes today in court as that audio played. And in a panicked voice, you can hear her in the phone call describing blood everywhere and the victims cold to the touch. Witness statements also included those with the Anderson County Sheriff and Coroner's Office. They submitted body camera footage and photographs of the scene for evidence, detailing it as such a large event that, quote, all hands were on deck. Now, the court actually convened at about 5 o'clock today, just after a few hours of testimony. They are set to continue this and get back into session at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Reporting in Anderson, Caitlin Ashbaugh, WYFF News 4.